How's it going, everybody? Like I said in the last video, we're going to go ahead and continue with the Camaro build, bringing it back from the dead, and what we're going to use is forged rods and JE pistons. We're going to be breaking this down into a do-it-yourself series. We have the head gaskets, the oils, everything you could possibly need to do this yourself in a driveway if need be, with a cherry picker. We're going to try to make these videos as thorough as possible, so if you end up wanting to go forge internals down the road on your Camaro, you can watch these videos step by step on how to get it done. There's definitely been a lot of talk of people wanting to add bolt-ons to these 2.0 turbo Camaros, make them fast, E85, big turbo, all that good stuff. But eventually down the road, you're going to want to go forged internals, and we're actually working it backwards, doing the forged internals first, because, I mean, as you can see, the pistons will be a point of failure. So before I add anything else to my car, that's what we're doing. Forged rods, JE pistons. We're going to be starting this series pretty soon, so make sure you subscribe to stay updated on everything we're doing, and you can follow along the build step by step. And with that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. See ya.